Hey y'all, hey. Okay, so I did not put it together on camera this time, but however, I went ahead and put my sublimated picture together. I have my white satin, and I'm going to put shiny side facing down, which is going to face the picture. And as you can see, I'm trying to figure out which side I want to do because I want to make sure I capture my favorite parts of the picture. So this time I decided to use my weights to prevent a lot of the shifting. So I'll be adding them in random places because they are very helpful with this process. So once I added them, and I think, what's that, a little clear cup? Yeah. So I go ahead and get my heat press. I put it on the highest setting I can. And with using this, it takes much longer. However, I'm not tripping about the process. And I use the highest heat. I go around, I set it to about a minute for each section that I do. And the good thing about using the weights, I can check it without my stuff shifting, and I still can make sure, as you can see, the face is coming through and the rest of that side of the ink is coming through. And yeah, I'm almost done. Let's reveal this picture. And this bonnet is going to be absolutely beautiful when I sew it together. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Peace.